Friends, today I will show you that how you can download the thumbnail of any YouTube video by just a simple method. So if you want to learn the method, please watch the video till end. So to download the thumbnail of YouTube videos, there will be a requirement of an application. You can download it from your Google Play Store if you are an Android user. So open your Google Play Store and after that you have to just search here thumbnail downloader, and after that select Thumb Auto Pro. I have already installed it, so open it. So after opening your thumbnail downloader application, just go back to your YouTube and open it. After that click on the three dots of any YouTube video and copy its URL, copy its link. So select any of the video and click on its three dots and copy the click on the share button, and after that copy link. After copying the link of this video, you have to just go back and open your thumbnail downloader, Thumb Auto Pro. So after that copy the URL you have, I paste the URL you have copied from your YouTube video. So you will see three formats: full HD, HD or low quality. You can download any of the format. So click on any format, like I'm gonna click on full HD. So just click it, download started, and download it. So this is the simplest method if you want to download that thumbnail of any YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Like this video. Thank you.